Now it is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, maybe some network issues. Okay, so now third one. Motion of a child on a swing is dash. Yes, who will answer me? I will say the name. Okay. It's Amdani Ahmad Bhai. Okay, maybe she's having some problem. Uh, yes, Khanani Fatima. Can you answer me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, motion of a child on a swing is dash motion.
Mm, circular motion.
But a motion of child is not a circular motion. Okay, so circular motion is if the motion is okay, it's movement like this. It's known as circular motion. But a swing is moving like this. Okay, here is a swing. Swing is moving like this in after it is taking few seconds. Okay, so which motion?
Circular.
No, beta, it's not a circular. Yes, who will answer me? Ilma, Ilma, Ilma,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
answer me?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Motion of a child on a swing. Yes, who will answer me? Yes, beta. Zizi Merchant, you raised your
Yes,
hands.
ma'am. Swing.
यस, कौन आंसर देगा मुझे? गौरानी फिरदौस या इल्मा राठौड़?
मुझे नहीं आता।
नहीं आता? ओके फाइन। किसको आता है देन?
मैम
बोलो यस।
circular motion.
No circular motion beta, it is periodic motion, because you know that as I told you that swing is going here, there. It is taking some time. Okay, it is taking few seconds. Okay, to move here and there in okay, वो fixed time पर ऐसे ऐसे होता रहता है. Okay, so it is periodic motion. Periodic motion. Now motion of a swing needle. मशीन आती है ना, स्विंग मशीन. Okay, so needle is okay, so needle sui is moving. Okay, so the motions of moving needle, okay, the needle is same periodic motion, because it is taking one second. Okay, to move from here to there. Okay, सिलाई जब होती है तो यहाँ से ऐसे ऐसे सिलाई आती है, बराबर. तो ये वो नीडल यहाँ से यहाँ, 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 it is taking seconds. Okay, not even second, milliseconds, but it is taking fixed time. So it is also a periodic motion. Oh shit, what is wrong with it? Yeah, periodic motion. Now, wheel of a bicycle. Motion of wheel of a bicycle.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes, bolo. Yes, say it to me.
circular motion.
Very good, circular, because it is moving round and round in in forward. Okay, forward motion. So it is circular motion, because the fixed point is fixed. Okay, in cycle में क्या होता है? Big, it is a big wheel. Okay, moving like this. Okay, but the point is fixed in between in wheel. Okay, so it will be a circular motion. You can even take example of moving fan. Okay, moving fan is also having circular motion. Okay, now why can a pace or footstep not be used as standard unit of length? You know pace, what is pace? Pace means footstep. Okay, foot, जो फुट का माप होता है ना उसको स्टेप होते हैं, उसको फुट पेस भी बोलते हैं. So why can pace or footstep cannot be used as standard unit? वो standard unit of length में क्यों नहीं count होता? Why? Who will answer me? Third one. Yes, Nadeem Rajani.
Yes, sir. Ma'am.
Can you answer me? Third one.
Ma'am, what was third one?
Third one. Question. Read the question. Third one and answer me the third one.
Ma'am, you have presented screen.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't see your screen.
Okay, maybe.
Ma'am, I will.
Okay. Now
Yes,
okay.
now.
Now okay.
Yes.
Now
Yes. Why can a pace or footstep not be used as a ma'am? As a
yes.
ma'am, your screen is not presenting.
It is presenting now. Maybe yes, it is presenting. Okay, let me present it again. Okay, for you. Okay. Now okay. Now okay, girls.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Why can a pace or footstep not be used as a standard unit of length? बोलो बेटा. Yes, answer me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't.
We don't know. Okay. Zainab Asrar, can you answer me? Asrar Zainab.
Ma'am, can I talk?
Yes. What is your name, beta?
Balkani Rabia.
Okay, Rabia. Yes, beta.
We cannot pace or a footstep as standard unit and
Your voice is not clear, beta. I can't hear a word.
can I say we
What is it?
cannot pace
Yes. बोलो बोलो.
we cannot use or pace or footstep um,
Is the standard unit of
as a
length
standard
because
unit of a length
because
as the size of foot,
hmm,
and the footstep will not be the same for every
person, each
person,
person.
for
Yes.
each person. Thus, the
Okay.
measurement will not be same
Be
for different people.
okay. Accurate will not be accurate. Okay. So you know the footstep. My footstep is big. Okay. Your footstep is small. Maybe your mother's footstep is different. Your father's footstep, the length will be different. So if you, for example, if you measure a class with footstep, if you measure, the answer will be different. If I measure, the answer will be different. If your mother measure, your answer will be different. If your father measure, your answer will be different. Okay, if your brother or sister measure, then answer will be different. So we will not get accurate answers. Okay, so footstep is footstep pace will not be used as a standard unit of length because अगर हम मेजरमेंट करेंगे मीटर से सेंटीमीटर से, इफ आई मेजर, यू मेजर, your mother measure, your father measure, anyone will measure, then what will happen? The answer will be accurate with meter or centimeter. Okay. If we do, if we are doing room, okay, so we'll take meter. Okay, so these all are meter, centimeter, millimeter, किलोमीटर, ऑल आर द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट. ओके, सो स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट से होगा तो एक्यूरेट आएगा, कोई भी कर अच्छा. ओके, अगर 10 मीटर का है रूम, तो इफ यू मेजर then also 10 meter will come, if I measure then also 10 meter will come, if your father measure then also 10 meter will come, or any person in world come and measure our room, then 10 meter will only come. Okay, so we will use standard unit for measurement. Okay, and a pace and footstep are not being counted as standard unit because it will be vary from each person. Now question number 4. Arrange the following lengths into their increasing magnitude. Yes, कौन बताएंगे मुझे? नजफ. ओके, असरार, जैनब असरार. Hello, can you hear me? Zian Merchant, please off your microphone. Yes, okay. Yes, Jahid Lohia, can you answer me? Jahid Lohia, open the microphone. Jahid Lohia, can you hear me? Yes, what is your name? Ready? Okay, yes. आपके वॉइस बहुत स्लो है, प्लीज जोर से बोलो.
Answer for 1 millimeter,
यस.
1 centimeter, 1
फर्स्ट
meter,
बेटा,
1
फर्स्ट बेटा क्वेश्चन रीड करो पहले. अरेंज द फॉलोइंग.
Question 4. Arrange the following lengths in their increasing magnitude.
यस.
Answer 4. 1 meter, 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer, 1 millimeter.
ओके, नो, योर आंसर इज रॉन्ग, बिट रॉन्ग, थोड़ा सही है थोड़ा गलत है.
1 millimeter,
यस,
1
1 मिलीमीटर.
centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 meter, and 1 kilometer.
Okay, we have to arrange this into increasing magnitude, means ascending. Well, small, then big, then bigger, then bigger, and then biggest. Okay. Now, first is 1 millimeter. Millimeter is the smallest unit of to measure liquid. Okay. Sorry, thing, object. 1 millimeter. Then 1 centimeter. Then 1 meter. And last is 1 kilometer. Okay. Now we have to do this sum. The height of a person. Okay, कौन read करेगा? Yes, Zian Merchant, can you read the question? Open your microphone, Zian. Yes, read
Yes,
the
ma'am.
question for me. Number 5th question. Please
Ma'am,
read
your
करो.
voice is not clear.
Okay, but can you
Ma'am, your
read
voice is not clear.
5th number? Read करो question
The height
from my screen.
of Earth's sun is 1.65 meter.
Express,
Express
express,
8 into centimeter and
and millimeter. Very good. Okay. Who will answer me?
Ma'am, can I say the look Khadija?
Yes, Khadija.
165 meters is equal to 165 centimeters.
And
1615
millimeter. Yes. As you know that, okay, as you know that 1 centimeter is equal to 100, sorry, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. So now we have to convert this meter into centimeter and millimeter. what we will do, as you know that everyone, that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 100, sorry, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we will multiply 1.65 into 100. Answer will be, as you know that here is 2 digit, 2 zeros, and points are there in 2 digit. So we will cut all these points, okay, decimal. So it will be 165 centimeter. And now further we have to convert this centimeter into millimeter. Now we will convert 165 centimeter. As you all guys know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So we will take this centimeter, 165 centimeter into 10 is equal to 1650 millimeter. Okay, so this is the answer. These both are answers. Here 165 centimeter and 1650 mm. Okay. Yes, who will read second next question for me? Shahid Loya, can you open the microphone? Okay. Yes. Now Dallu Khadija, can you read the question number 6 for me, please? Yes, Dallu Khadija, can you answer it? Can you read the question number 6 for me? Okay, might be having some problem. Okay, she's having some problem. Yes, Galsafar Zaidi. Zaidi, please read question number 6 for me. Zaidi Galsafar,
The
can you read for?
yes. The distance between Radha's home and her school is 300 250 meter. Express this distance into kilometer.
Okay. So do you know the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you give the answer?
Uh, uh, 3250 meters is equal to 3.25 kilometer.
Okay, it's not 25, it's 250 beta. As you know, you have to read after point. If it is here, if it is like this, okay, 2805. What happened to my phone? Just wait a minute, okay? Just stop my screen. Okay. There is some problem. Okay, so I just stopped my screen. Now, can you see my screen? Right, right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One minute. Now, uh, as you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter, right? So we will divide by this meters by 1,000. Okay, 3250 divided by 1,000 is equal to 3.250 km, because you know that there are three zeros, so we have to keep point before three digits. Okay, so it's 3.250. Okay, and please girls, now you know that how to read decimals. Okay, when there is point, you have to read as 3.250, not 3.250. Okay. Okay. Now next question. Who will read it for me? Next question. 7 number.
Can I read in my
Can I
Yes,
read?
while
in
measuring the needle, the reading of the scale at one end is 3.0 and at the other end, what is the length of the
Okay. Can you answer me?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
32.1.
Okay. Let me just show it to you. Okay. Knitting needles means जो needles से हम sweater बनाते हैं उसको knitting needles कहते हैं, right? So one end, in one end it is 3 centimeter and in the other end is 33.1 centimeter. So now we need to know the length of the needle. For knowing the length of the needle, we will minus from the. So, excuse me. Okay, now we need to know the length of the needle. For knowing the length, we will minus from other end to one end because the other end measurement is bigger. Okay, so 33.1 minus 3.0. To minus this, we will do is like this: 33.1 centimeter minus 3.0 centimeter. So centimeter, 1 minus 0, 1, point, 3 minus 3, 0. and 3 minus 0 is 3. So answer will be 30.1 centimeter. Okay. Now similarities and the difference between the motion of the bicycle and the ceiling fan that has been switched on. Okay. Who will say me the answer? What are the similarities? There is only one similarities and one difference.
Can I tell?
Name? Sorry, who?
Balcony Rabia.
Yes, Rabia.
Similarity of a
Similarity.
bike and ceiling fan both show a circular motion.
Okay, yes.
Difference. Uh, Bicycle moves in
Straight,
rectangular
forward, rectilinear. Right?
rectilinear motion, but
Hmm.
ceiling fan does not move in.
Rectilinear motion. Very good. As you know that cycle is moving straight. It is moving round and round, but it is moving in straight motion. Straight, ऐसे move होती है, right? It is moving go round, but it is moving in forward motion. So rectilinear motion, straight motion. So the okay, let me just give you the difference. Okay, मैं अभी पहले difference बता रही हूँ. So the difference is if the cycle is moving in rectilinear motion because it is moving in straight motion, but the fan is moving in circular motion because fixed point is here and fan is moving just round and round and round. So it is circular motion. So this similarities ये difference क्या हुआ? The motion of the cycle is moving in rectilinear motion, but the motion of the fan is in circular motion. Now similarities. Similarities means wheel also, as wheel is also having fixed point. Wheel is right. Okay, and fan is also having fixed point. So both are having fixed point. वो सिमिलैरिटीज है. ओके, व्हील में बीच में जो होता है ना वो fixed point, right? So both are having fixed point is the similarities. Same thing. Fan is also having mixed fixed point and um, um, bicycle is also having a fixed point. Now, what do you, why do you not use an elastic measure tape to measure distance? What could be some problems you will meet in telling some about distance you measure with elastic tape? Yes, आंसर बताओगे कोई भी? बुशरा मलकानी. Sorry,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your name, Bushra? Bushra Malkani, right?
Rabia
Rabia. Okay,
Malkan.
yes, sorry. Okay, Rabia. No, I want. Zahira Bas Rasvaria.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you answer me? Ninth one.
Yes, ma'am. I will
Can you
try.
read? Sorry?
I will try.
Okay, yes. Read first question, number 9.
Number 9. Why could you not use an elastic measuring tape to measure distance? What would be some of the problems you would meet in telling someone about the distance you measured with an elastic tape?
Okay. Yes, can you answer me? You see it by your own. Okay, you don't need to worry about the language and your words. Okay, you just say it by your own.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Are you answering me?
Ma'am, elastic is a material which,
When you pull, it will become bigger. Yes.
yes.
So
So the measurement which we are measuring, it can be like,
different, not
yeah,
accurate, right? Yes.
yeah.
Okay. So elastic measuring tape. When you pull elastic, what is happening? It will become big, and when you lift it, it becomes small. Okay. So we will not get exact and accurate measure of the object which we are measuring. So we will not use elastic measuring tape to measure any distance. Okay. Now last one. Give two examples of periodic motion. Who will answer me?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Who? Who want to
Malkani
say me?
Rabia.
नो मलकानी राबिया दूसरे को प्लीज चांस मिलना चाहिए ना. यस कौन बताएगा और मुझे.
Ma'am, can I?
यस कानानी.
There are two motion, both
Okay, examples. Okay, I want examples. There are two examples of
pen,
periodic motion. There are
pendulum.
pendulum.
There are child on the swing.
Yes, okay. Pendulum. You know what is pendulum? Pendulum is a thing which is there in which is hanging in clock. Okay. So what is happening? Clock. This pendulum is going here, here, then in. It is taking fixed time. Okay. So in just it will less than a second, but it is taking some time, fixed time. So it is example of periodic motion. And swing. Child sitting on a swing is also, swing. Swing is going here, there, but it is taking fixed time, same as pendulum. So this pendulum and pendulum and swing both are the examples of periodic motion. Okay. So today is your test. So best of luck for your test. Okay. You need to read textbook. Okay. So textbook is more important. I will ask many questions from the textbook. Okay. So please read textbook 2 times. If you will read twice a textbook, then everything will come from there only. Okay. So best of luck for your test and read twice. पहले 2 बार क्वेश्चन रीड करना, सोचना और फिर आंसर देना. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. Have a nice day and best of luck for your exam again. Take care
Bye.
and
Thank
bye bye.
you.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, bye.